right? We're continuing with lesson 4-5. If you read directions, you should be on page 112. Okay, quadrilateral relationships. It says, number 1, sketch your 2 quadrilaterals below. Record the type of quadrilaterals they are on the lines below. All right, quadrilateral 1's going to go here. Quadrilateral 2's going to go here. I'm going to let you choose these. Now, remember, if you're in your journal page, you can be on your iPad. So log into Everyday Math. Here it is again. So after this video, you would log in, go to My eBooks, Student Reference, the first one. And again, it is page 217. So where it says cover, delete all of that. Hit 217 right at the bottom and hit return or enter. Then you zoom in. It says quadrilaterals, examples and definitions. These are all quadrilaterals. So when it says, oops, not that one. When it says sketch 2 quadrilaterals, you're going to take one of these, right? You can use one of these and you can put it right on the line. Well, right above the line, because it says you have to sketch your 2 quadrilateral below. Oh my goodness, that's a big word. Sketch your 2 quadrilaterals below and then record what type they are. So imagine that you chose the square. You would draw a square. And for time, I'm just gonna, not a perfect square. And I guess I should have wrote him a little bit up so I could write on the line, but I would just go square. And you get the point. And then over on this side, you would draw your other quadrilateral. And guess what? You have a ruler at home. You could use nice, neat lines and then draw one of these. And it gives you the name right here. So after this, I want you to go ahead and use your student reference book to figure out what these are called. Then it says, what attributes do your quadrilaterals have in common? So what is the same about your 2 quadrilaterals? Remember, quadrilaterals, they have 4 sides, but we can put them into specific categories. So are the angles the same? Are the lines parallel? Do they have the same amount of sides? Do they have the same side lengths? And then what attributes are different? What is not the same about your 2 quadrilaterals? Remember, put a name on this one. Name your quadrilateral. Then number 2 says sketch 2 more of your quadrilaterals below. Record the types of quadrilaterals they are in the lines below. That is so many words. Same thing. Don't use the 2 you used up here. Use new ones. And you're like, Ms. Schmidt, I don't know any other quadrilaterals. Go to page 217. They have the answers here right for you. And then you just write the name that's bolded. And then it says, what do they have in common? What are their attributes that are the same? What characteristics? And then what attributes are different? Once you have completed this page, go ahead, finish math boxes, and send a picture to your teacher. That is it for the week. You guys are awesome, and you made it. Whoop, whoop. See you next time.